Hey guys, what's up? It's Wolf Cat, and today, this is my cat. Right here. Yeah. You know this. Right here. So, in the previous episode of Cat Friends, you probably know who Minecraft is. And no, these are not my hairy cats. Basically, my cat really loves the wand. So, basically, I don't know what we're doing, but I guess it's some sort of a vlog. So.
What's a vlog?
Oh my gosh, Mommy.
Is it a video log?
Yes. It's like the Manda log. Get it?
Mm-hmm. Manda?
Oh my gosh, this is so weird. You can see, so you can basically see it right now. Oh, it's a never-ending picture. Okay, so this is the picture, and then inside of that I'm holding the glasses, which is another picture, and inside of that I'm holding the little glasses, so it's a never-ending picture. Anyways, I'm just gonna, here. So, I don't know what this is about. I don't even know what to name it. You know, that segue. Look at my hair. Mommy, smile. Whoa. Oh my gosh, look. My cat is torturing me. Oh, also my friend came home from Paris, and she brought me this Eiffel Tower. Oh, and she got me this Paris pin, which I have a pin collection going on my lamp. So, she also got me this mini Eiffel Tower. Here we go. I'm just gonna put you back there. Okay. Sorry for the cracking noise. I'm doing this on a mini iPad. Okay, so this is the mini Eiffel Tower. As you can see, it has Paris, France on the Eiffel Tower's thingamabobber. So it's gold. Well, it's not real gold, but it's just gold. So the other thing that I have is this. I think it's like, I don't really know what it is. If you know what it is, leave it in the comments below. Basically, that's a clip-on chain thing too. Just as the Paris thing was. I'm just gonna take this down from my lamp.